Handling real estate through probate can quickly turn into a stressful, drawn-out process if you're not careful. Whether you're an executor, a beneficiary, or someone just trying to sell an inherited property, there are key pitfalls that can cost you time, money, and sanity. Stick around because today I'm breaking down the 7 common problems people face with real estate in probate and how you can avoid them. Hey, I'm Chris, your local no BS realty expert, here to guide you through the complexities of the probate process. Whether you're managing an estate or looking to sell a property tied up in probate, I'm here to make sure that you can navigate it as smoothly as possible. If you've got questions or need personalized advice, call, text, email, or book an appointment directly in my calendar. My contact information is always in the description down below. Let's dive into these 7 probate pitfalls and how to avoid them. Number 1, overlooking the assets during inventory. One of the most common mistakes is overlooking real estate or other assets during the inventory process. When dealing with probate, it is crucial to identify and properly account for all of the deceased assets. This includes not just bank accounts and personal property, but real estate as well. Missing an asset can delay the probate process or lead to disputes among heirs. Solution: work closely with a probate attorney or an estate planner to ensure everything is correctly accounted for. Keep detailed records from the start and don't rush to this step. Number 2, delaying the probate process. Procrastination is another big issue. The longer you delay starting probate, the more complicated things can get. If a property is left vacant for too long, it can deteriorate, leading to expensive repairs or even fines from the city for code violations. In some cases, homeowners insurance may not cover homes left empty for extended periods of time. The key here is to get the probate process rolling quickly, file paperwork promptly, and maintain that property in the meantime. That way, you're avoiding these extra costs or delays. Number 3, poor communication with the beneficiaries. Failing to communicate with all the involved parties, especially the beneficiaries, can lead to serious conflicts. Misunderstandings over how the estate will be managed or how the property will be sold can result in litigation that slows down everything. Keep everyone in the loop with regular updates, and if there are disagreements, get legal advice before the situation escalates. Clear, open communication goes a long way to avoiding disputes. Number 4, incorrectly valuing the property. Many executors struggle with accurately valuing real estate during probate. Pricing the property too high can scare away buyers, while pricing it too low means the estate loses money. To avoid this, get a professional appraisal early in the process. An experienced real estate agent can also help you determine its true market value based on comparable properties, ensuring the price is right from the start. Number 5, failing to secure the property. Once the probate process begins, securing the property is critical. Unsecured homes are at risk of vandalism, theft, or accidental damage. It's important to maintain the property and keep it insured throughout the probate period. If no one is living in the house, consider hiring a property manager to keep an eye on it, or at the very least, do some basic maintenance on it. Number 6, managing debts and liabilities. The executor is responsible for setting all of the deceased's debts before distributing assets to the heirs. Failing to handle this property can lead to legal issues, especially if assets are distributed before all debts are paid off. It's critical to prioritize creditors according to the legal guidelines and ensure all outstanding liabilities are handled before any assets are passed on to the beneficiaries. We'll roll into number 7. Handling complex real estate transactions alone. Real estate tied up in probate can come with its own set of challenges, from legal documentation to tax implications. Trying to handle everything on your own is risky. This is where hiring a probate real estate expert comes in. They can help you navigate the complexities of selling the property, ensuring all the paperwork is in order and that you're getting the best possible deal. Don't hesitate to consult with professionals when things get tricky. And there you have it. The probate process can feel overwhelming, but if you're aware of these common problems and take the right steps, you can avoid a lot of the unnecessary headaches. Remember, getting the right team in place, whether it's legal counsel or a probate real estate agent, can make all the difference. If you need help with your specific situation or just want to chat more about real estate and probate, feel free to call, text, email, or book an appointment with me directly in my calendar. My contact information is always in the description down below. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay positive, stay blessed, and I'll catch you in the next video.